What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the best upright vacuums on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum. The Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum stands out as our best pick for its remarkable balance of powerful suction, lightweight design, and easy storage. It is specifically made for small spaces such as dorm rooms and apartments, but do not let its size fool you. This model offers exceptional cleaning performance that rivals much larger and more expensive units. The vacuum's compact build allows effortless maneuverability, so cleaning tight corners or under furniture becomes simple and efficient. One of its strongest advantages is the removable extension wand, which makes it easy to reach ceilings, curtains, and other hard-to-access spots. The vacuum also has a strong filtration system that helps trap dust and allergens, leaving your indoor air fresher after every clean. Unlike bulky machines that take up too much space, this model stores conveniently in small closets or utility spaces without sacrificing performance. The CleanView Compact is also known for its multi-surface cleaning ability, transitioning easily from carpet to hard floors without losing suction. Maintenance is straightforward, with a clear, easy-to-empty dust cup and washable filters that cut down on replacement costs. For those living in smaller spaces who still want deep cleaning power, the Bissell CleanView Compact is the perfect balance of efficiency, convenience, and affordability. It is designed to make cleaning less of a chore and more of a quick, satisfying task. Number 2. Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum. The Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum is a powerhouse designed to tackle even the toughest messes, especially in homes with pets. Its signature self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adapts to different floor types, ensuring strong suction on both carpets and hard floors. This eliminates the need to switch settings manually and delivers a seamless cleaning experience from room to room. Dyson's advanced ball technology allows the vacuum to glide effortlessly around furniture and corners with superior control. Its 290 air-watt motor provides incredible suction that removes ground-in dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. Pet owners will appreciate its tangle-free turbine tool, which prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, keeping maintenance simple and frustration-free.
The vacuum also includes an advanced filtration system that captures microscopic particles, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. Every part of this Dyson vacuum is built for durability, from the reinforced wand to the sturdy cleaner head. Its long reach and versatile attachments make it suitable for everything from floors and upholstery to stairs and tight crevices. Though slightly heavier than compact models, its unmatched cleaning performance and superior suction make it worth the wait. For households that need deep, reliable cleaning power and want to keep pet hair under control, the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean is a proven and trusted choice that consistently delivers outstanding results.
Number 3. Eureka PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum. The Eureka PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum combines lightweight design, impressive suction strength, and user-friendly features, making it a great all-around choice for both carpet and hard floor cleaning. This model is built to provide professional-grade results without the heavy feel or steep price tag of other upright vacuums. Its wide cleaning path ensures you cover more ground in less time, making it ideal for busy households. What truly stands out about this Eureka model is its ability to pick up fine dust, pet hair, and large debris efficiently. Its adjustable height settings make it versatile across multiple surfaces, whether you're cleaning thick carpets, hardwood, or tile floors. The large, easy-to-empty dust cup adds to the convenience, allowing uninterrupted cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. The Eureka PowerSpeed also shines in terms of low maintenance. The filters are washable, cutting down on recurring costs, and the belt and brush are designed for durability. Despite its strong suction, it remains quiet and energy efficient, providing excellent value for money. Its lightweight frame allows effortless movement around furniture and stairs, reducing strain during longer cleaning sessions. Whether you live in a small apartment or a larger home, this vacuum offers exceptional cleaning power in a compact, easy-to-handle package. For anyone looking for an affordable upright vacuum that delivers performance beyond expectations, the Eureka PowerSpeed is a smart and reliable option that easily earns its spot on this list.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.